everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add place on Facebook. Open Facebook and tap on your profile icon. Now click on Places Lived. Now tap on Add City. Here you have to enter the name of your city where you live. After that, go to Add Hometown, and here you will have to write your home address. You have to write the name of the place close to which you live. For example, if this place is near my house, then I will select it. In this way, you can add a place inside Facebook where you have been or are living. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Here you can see this place has been added.